All right, so we just ran it. Round 2, so to speak, of cooling system fleshy. Scotty went and drove it around the block about 10 times. She ran great, ran at decent temp. She's holding pressure. Nothing's leaking. So we're going to drain the old cooling system and refill it with 50/50 premix. All right. So this is round 4. Look how clean and clear that is now compared to where we started. And we straight up had mud coming out now. And this is fairly clear water. And we're down to pure water. Drain everything out. And then we're going to fill her up now with our premix. And tomorrow we'll put our new fan clutch in. And we will get this baby gone. All right, so topping this baby off with premix. And I'm trying to get a good shot. It's hard. Look at how clean that's running. That shit used to look like mud. And now that's just straight up nice clean premix. I mean, obviously it's got copper brass radiator, so it's gonna look a little orangish on the sides internally, and we can't get all the rust scale out, but we're way better.